Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to fix Snapchat temporarily disabled support code ss03 error. Your access to Snapchat is temporarily disabled problem full tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, the first thing that we need to check in here is to make sure that you have the right app version for Snapchat. So head on to App Store. And here on App Store, we need to go ahead and search for Snapchat. Click onto Snapchat in there and just make sure that it shows in there open and not update. So if you're seeing update onto your end, you need to go ahead and update the app onto your end to go ahead and fix the issue. Then if it is still not yet working, head on the settings of your device, scroll down and click onto general, and then make sure that here on VPN and device management, you're not connected to any. So right after you have checked onto that, you also have to go here under iPhone storage, and then right after just search for the Snapchat app. Click on show all here, click on Snapchat, and you need to go ahead and offload the app. Once that one is offloaded, this will free up the storage and you need to go ahead and reinstall the app back again, but it will keep its documents and data. So reinstalling the app will paste back your data if the app is available onto the App Store. So we'll have to wait for that one to be done. And once that one is already done and you still haven't fixed the issue onto your end, this is the time that you need to go ahead and head on to Snapchat support. So you'll need to search for Snapchat support onto your account. So you should be able to see help.snapchat.com in there. Click onto that, and right after choosing, my account is compromised. So you need to go ahead and submit a request for this one, and then just choose I can access my account, and I think my account was compromised. So there might be some options in here that you could try out as well. But if that won't work, just add in your username, your email, your phone number, and here onto this description, I have here a format that you could go ahead and follow in here so that you could go ahead and submit your appeals. So this is actually a good format that you could go ahead and follow so that you could make sure that you could receive a support from Snapchat, and it would be easier for them to solve your issue. I'll scroll this one out and just make sure to pause the video so that you could go ahead and follow all along. Right after that, just click onto submit and wait for Snapchat to go ahead and respond to you regarding this matter. And that is how to fix Snapchat temporarily disabled support code onto your Snapchat account. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.